Every day ain't gonna be a good day in your mind. Somebody, you got all your limbs. Trust me, there's somebody out here, many out here that wish they had all their limbs. But you just like, oh, the world is just, it's horrible right now. My day is bad. Man, come on, man. I people got it worse than you. I know that. So, no matter what happens, just know he got you. You'll get through it. You may not see it now, but you'll get through it. Just to believe you'll get through it. So, let's go ahead and run again. 10 more seconds. Get to the Australian pool. So, if you're getting on there, if you can't lay your feet all the way down, you can scrunch them up. Put one out. One in, you come as close as possible. The closer you come in, it's easier. The more you stretch out, it's a little bit harder. So, rear delts, rhomboids, traps, all that we pulling. Look at that thickness on that back. Let's run again. Look good. Nice and smooth. You want to make it more advanced, go up to maybe 20. Showing down the rest times. And you be feeling good. Hey, okay. Make sure y'all hit a like for me, man. Hit a like. Appreciate y'all coming part of this journey with me, this fitness journey. And we starting off the year right. Y'all like these lives? Let me know. Y'all just like maybe the follow on workouts? Let me know. You usually just watch me because I'm shorts? Let me know. Follow me for the tips for nutrition and stuff like that. Let me know. Just let me know in the comments how y'all, you know, why y'all came to this channel. Like to get the feedback. We're gonna move through this one. It's a nice day today. Randomly catch nice days when it's in the wintertime. I like it. But still stay bundled up. Keep the moisture in. Let's run again. Third set. We're gonna move on. Woo, we look good. Nice little breather. Move on to the next workout. Let's see what we got. Hold on, let me get some water. So, gotta make sure I carry that around. Water's very crucial, man. I got one in here. Hold on, let me rip the label off of here. They don't sponsor me yet, so I can't let you know what type of water I'm drinking. You never knew. I don't just get free sponsorship unless it's my football team, you know. Put in the comments, we are a football team, man.